I just had, I think, $5,000 in my hand, and it was barely covering the tuition fees actually. And I still went actually, ठीक है. तो ये risk actually, ठीक है. And उसके बाद में living expenses I had to take care of. तो it would have been a lot actually. But क्या बोलते हैं ना कि कुछ risk तो लेना ही था, तो ले लिया.
ये क्वेश्चन था जो कि हमारे बैचमेट्स बहुत पूछ रहे थे बिकॉज दे वर मेनी ऑफ देम आर इंटरेस्टेड टू गो फॉर एमएस and they were asking how did you finance your MS because it requires a lot of fund.
Went to US. I just had, I think, $5,000 in my hand, and it was barely covering the tuition fees actually. And I still went actually, ठीक है. तो ये risk actually, ठीक है. And उसके बाद में living expenses I had to take care of. तो it would have been a lot actually. But क्या बोलते हैं ना कि कुछ risk तो लेना ही था, तो ले लिया. And then I went there, and I think towards the end of the first semester, I got assistantship, which was a partial assistantship. तो 40 hours per week का, sorry, 20 hours per week का assistantship रहता है, तो it is called a full week assistantship. So I got a 10 hours assistantship. And because जो boss था मेरा actually, he wanted to support two students instead of one actually, so he split it into two. Basically उससे क्या हुआ, मेरा ट्यूशन फीस फ्री हो गया एक्चुअली, ठीक है. और उसके ऊपर मेरे को 150-200 डॉलर एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाते थे एक्चुअली. सो दैट वाज ओके टू सपोर्ट माय लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस. एंड देन उसके बाद में टिल आई ग्रेजुएटेड आई वाज ऑन दैट असिस्टेंटशिप ओनली. एंड देन इसमें मैंने बीच में क्या किया, इंस्टेड ऑफ लूजिंग टाइम, तो समर सेमेस्टर में पीपल डोंट एनरोल फॉर कोर्स वर्क बिकॉज दे यूज दैट टाइम आइदर टू गो अबाउट साइट सीइंग और फिर वर्क फुल टाइम outside the campus and earn money. But instead of that, I basically continued taking courses. So exactly 18 months mein I finished my MS, and I let go of my assistantship to somebody else actually. And then I came back. तो पूरा जो MS का जो खर्चा था, every expense down to the last penny was borne by myself. And I think there was a sense of achievement. I think the biggest achievement of my life has been that actually. तो मुझे लगता है कि उस यंग एज में इफ आई कुड पुल ऑफ समथिंग लाइक दैट, दैट हैज बीन, आई थिंक, द हाईएस्ट रिवॉर्डिंग टाइम फॉर फॉर अर्ली स्टार्टर लाइक मी. तो वो बहुत मैटर करता है एक्चुअली, है ना. तो when you go for MS, out of when you go for higher studies, expensing money out of your own pocket, you will make sure that the courses that you take are not being taken for grades actually. So I took all my courses which had heavy programming interface assignments, and I took all of them. And I had no fear because my only motto was कि अगर मैं $1,000 भी spend कर रहा हूँ किसी credit hour पे, तो I should make sure that the teaching or the professor is of the quality that I want actually. US में क्या, it's a very flexible and open system. You can pick and customize your program. So I basically made sure that I take the toughest courses actually, because typically उसी में programming ज़्यादा रहती है, तो लोग enroll नहीं करते हैं actually. There's a lot of programming phobia among students who have not experienced working in software companies when they go to US. So I've seen a lot of people not taking a particular course because उसमें programming ज़्यादा थी या फिर algorithms वाला subject थे. So they never have opted for that. But I took all of that actually. उसका indirect benefit मेरे को MS के बाद में IDEVAT में बहुत हुआ actually, right? Because I think based on my research, I could do a lot of work. And आज भी जब मैं किसी problem को solve करता हूँ, I try to break it in small pieces. And the first piece that I take up is for solving is always the toughest part of that project actually. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है when you solve the toughest part, rest everything can be done by anybody else actually, right? So you don't have to be there. You're not the bottleneck. So you have solved your part, you can move on to next project actually. So solve the toughest problem first.
So sir, like आपका जब MS खत्म हुआ तो you started idea wait in
नहीं,
2000.
एक्चुअली MS के 6 months के बाद में आइडेवेट इनकॉर्पोरेट कर दिया था हम लोगों ने. So two of my partners, they had already quit their full-paying jobs actually, and then one of them decided to stay back in New Jersey, and the other one actually came to Indore from Bangalore. So he was working at Infosys only till then. So two of them actually started working at iDavid before I could join them full-fledged because my MS was yet to get over. तो मेरे को एक drive थी कि I have to go back and help these guys out as soon as possible because बहुत night out हो रहा है. They are basically running short on people to help them out. तो 6 months के बाद में जब हमने incorporate किया तो my whole focus while I was in the US was to complete my MS as soon as possible and then come back to India actually.
So
And a lot of
can
things,
you
a lot of factors helped me there actually. अगर मेरे को लोन लेना पड़ता ना तो शायद मैं आइडियावेट नहीं स्टार्ट करता actually because you know when you graduate out of college with like 25-30,000 US dollars as loan, right? तो आपकी हिम्मत ही नहीं पड़ती है ना या मैं
you
कुछ
might
और
have
रिस्क
went
ले लूँ
for
actually.
you might went
जॉब
for the job.
तो आई वुड हैव गॉन फॉर अ जॉब एंड 30,000 40,000 US डॉलर्स को क्लियर करने में 1-2 साल या 2-3 साल लग जाते. तो तब
Yes,
तक जो
sir.
है वो जो बोलता हूँ ना ड्राइव भी कम हो जाती है एक्चुअली. तो
तो वो दोबारा कोकेन मिलने लगता.
हाँ वो एक्चुअली सैलरी इज द न्यू कोकेन एक्चुअली.
यस सर. सो जब आपने आइडिया वेट का जो जर्नी था लाइक फ्रॉम आइडिया टू टीम क्रिएशन टू फर्स्ट कस्टमर एक्विजिशन,
या
सर उसके बारे में सर वी वांट टू नो कि आपने कैसे किया द होल जर्नी, बिकॉज द फर्स्ट स्टार्टअप यू वर्क ऑन इज द हार्डेस्ट वन एंड मोस्ट आप उसी से सबसे ज्यादा सीखते हैं. सो
So basically, हमारे we came to know about the team कि आपने कैसे build किया, but basically your first customer we want to like how did you acquire your first customer
yeah,
and
first
how hard
customer
it was.
actually I acquired in the last semester of my MS actually, and that too happened through a IIT connection only. So one of my classmates, Saif Ahmed Faruqi. So we've been classmates at AIT and we've been friends before that also. Gopalpur, Orissa वगैरह में भी हम लोगों ने साथ में काफी time spend किया हुआ है actually. So he was also doing MS in California. So he introduced me to one of the acquaintances that he had actually. It was a neutral acquaintance actually. He said, meet Satish, Satish meet this person, and then you decide whatever you want to do actually. So the conversation started away, and then it so happened कि they said we'll execute the project, but we would want you to be in California as soon as possible for a requirement analysis. क्योंकि project बड़ा था तो requirement analysis करना था actually. तो उस time पे just मेरे final thesis defense का time start हो रहा था actually. तो थीसिस डिफेंड करके वो इमिडिएटली वहां जाने का दो मतलब थे. एक तो वो टेक्नोलॉजी टोटली न्यू थी जिस पे हमको काम करना था. इट वाज आई एम नॉट श्योर अगर आप लोगों ने सुना होगा पाम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का नाम सुना है.
No.
सर
नहीं ठीक है. सो अनफॉर्चुनेट एक्चुअली बट इट वाज द फर्स्ट क्या कहते हैं स्मार्ट ओएस एक्चुअली व्हिच PDAs करके हार्डवेयर डिवाइस आते थे, पर्सनल डिजिटल असिस्टेंट्स राइट, लाइक विंडोज की पॉकेट पीसी डिवाइसेस आते थे. तो वहाँ से निकल के स्मार्टफोन्स ऐसे बने बट दोज वर लाइक टच इनेबल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म्स. तो वो प्लेटफॉर्म सीखना था एंड मुझे विद इन 10 days कैलिफोर्निया भी जाना था. तो आई बेसिकली ऑर्डर्ड Amazon.com से मैंने पाम की बुक्स मंगाई एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग इट इन 10-15 days एंड देन आई बुक माई टिकट्स ऑल्सो टू गो टू कैलिफोर्निया. But personally, I took a hit actually because MS was very hard earned degree for me actually. Right from the day of applying to the day of finishing it actually. And plus, as you know, I self funded it. तो मुझे वो डिग्री इन पर्सन लेनी थी क्योंकि वो ब्लैक रोब में पहन के जाओ और चांसलर से डिग्री लो वो बहुत अलग मैटर करता है एक्चुअली राइट. वो मैं AIT में भी नहीं कर पाया था इवन दो आई वाज कॉल्ड फॉर गेटिंग माय मेडल एट द कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी. बट इन्फोसिस के मेरे प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर ने इवन दो आई वाज ऑन बेंच दे डिडंट अलाउ मी टू टेक अ वेकेशन अ हॉलिडे टू पुणे. तो वो तब मैंने मिस कर दिया एक्चुअली. ठीक है. तो एक बार मैं सोच चुका था MS में दोबारा दिख रहा था कि मिस हो रहा है एक्चुअली बट मैंने मिस किया MS में उसको एक्चुअली. और मेरी जो डिग्री है इट वेंट थ्रू अ नॉर्मल पोस्ट टू माय फ्रेंड इन न्यू जर्सी एंड देन व्हेन ही केम टू इंडिया आफ्टर 6 months दैट इज व्हेन आई सॉ माय डिग्री एक्चुअली फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. ठीक है. But there's there was a regret actually. I'll tell you that because वो project हमने किया successfully execute किया actually. It was a palm operating system पे हमको एक electronic prescription writer बनाना था actually for doctors and physicians actually. So it was a fairly intensive project, and nobody had done from our side ever. So वो lead किया and then implemented that product actually, and then handed over that product for the client to manage and continue the development further actually. So it was more like a build, operate, transfer kind of engagement. So हमने उसको 6 months build करके transfer कर दिया. So that gave me a lot of confidence to do उस project के अंदर there was a lot of hardware, machine to machine interfacing, है ना. So that gave us a lot of confidence to take on work around hardware, and then we started doing a lot of projects in IoT space. Aaj we call it IoT, which is much more easier. But back then it was more machine to machine, and then the protocols to interact with those hardware also was very difficult actually. So I have worked in a product which was using DOS as a operating system for a handle device. है ना? तो वो handle device was like a brick, इतना heavy था actually वो. It was a very specialized hardware actually. But what I'm essentially saying is that the starting project which we took up put me right out of my comfort zone. Okay, so before that I was very comfortable doing web development, Java based development, right? So that was my comfort zone. But this project actually took me out of my comfort zone, and वो कहीं ना कहीं continuous learning मैंने जो बोला ना, it becomes a part, a natural habit because of the work that you have been doing actually, right? And over the years I think uh, the awards, उसमें से 2-3 awards ऐसे हैं जो हमारे the product that we developed, we got it for that actually. So that has been possible because we have always tried to do something which has actually either not been done in the market, right? And we would probably like do it and then realize something is not correct, and then learn something from that and then do something else actually, right? So 2 of my product development, though they were not successfully commercial from commercial perspective, but that gave us a lot of confidence in doing uh, our own streamlining of operations within the company, right? So today most of our clients are actually product owners. So most of our clients that we work with, they actually have products, and we actually work as a remote extension to their product development team. So all of the processes, the quality, the QA, the delivery methodology that we follow today, there has been a learning because of all these experiments that we have been doing over the years actually, right?
So
सो सर जैसे कि अभी आप मार्केट तो देख ही रहे होंगे बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पेंडेमिक द मार्केट कुछ मार्केट डोमेन्स आर गोइंग लो वेरी लो एंड
Absolutely.
कुछ नई बट एट द सेम टाइम कुछ नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी राइज हुई हैं इन डिफरेंट मार्केट डोमेन्स
Right.
सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट आर सम स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम्स जो कि हम लोग फेस कर सकते हैं इन फ्यूचर बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पेंडेमिक एंड व्हाट स्किल्स हम लोग को एक्वायर करना चाहिए टू टैकल दोज
Hmm. Because see, this topic has been, I think, in the media for a long time. Actually, I've been reading about it for last 6-7 years. Actually, back then, I think the interpretation was not as severe as it is today. Actually, so what COVID has done is it has accelerated the speed of that change. Actually, जो और 4 years तक चल सकता था, it has suddenly come right on the doorstep. Actually now, है ना? Now there's no escape to it. Actually, so the challenge that I've been seeing coming slowly for the last 5 years or 6 years has been the automation side actually. You know, automation, not necessarily from robotics. I'm talking about software automation actually. So we have on our side tried to address a part of it by changing the way we have been doing development and the platforms that we have been doing using for our development as well. So mobile development, web development is all becoming commodity, right? So there's no uniqueness in that. Obviously, like your your experience, your domain knowledge will certainly matter. I'm not denying that. But then anybody or everybody can do those platform development. But then new age platforms like ServiceNow, Salesforce, right? So these are the automation robots that I'm talking about actually, right? जो प्रोजेक्ट मुझे 6 महीने लगते थे पहले करने में, आज मुझे शायद एक हफ्ता भी नहीं लगेगा करने में using these tools, right? So these tools are very intelligent. They will actually give you at least 60% of the business requirements that a typical business might need. Okay, so they've been engineered so well that out of the box, it'll solve a lot of your problems. Okay, Where it does not solve problems, it has its own tool set, languages that you can use to customize environment, these platforms also. So customization, the pie of the customization is slowly going small actually. जो custom development जो बोलते हैं ना, that is going small. So what it means for engineers, right? Ultimately, automation is eating our jobs actually, right? जहाँ पे पहले I'll give an example. जैसे I think about a year ago, National Australian Bank (NAB), they gave, I think, one of the largest automation projects to, I think, Infi or TCS. I'm not able to recollect the name. It could be Accenture also. But then I think the central piece of that automation strategy was Salesforce actually. Before that, they were actually using .NET systems, right? So .NET system would be entirely remodeled into Salesforce. So जहाँ पे आपके पास 1,000 engineers are there to support and maintain all the different .NET systems that the bank has been developing over the years. Suddenly, you will have 200 engineers who know Salesforce very well, and they'll be able to do pretty much the same and much more effectively and at a faster time, right? So those jobs are gone. Those 800 jobs that I'm talking about, they're gone. They're not going to come back actually, right? काफी टॉक है एक्चुअली एआई पे, मशीन लर्निंग पे, डेटा एनालिटिक्स पे, राइट? तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि these jobs will be hot for some time to come, but then these tools will democratize that for everybody to use it actually. आप speech recognition की बात करिए हैं, जैसे for example, right? Uh, Not on Zoom, but on Skype actually, I can actually have a live transcription of this conversation. So it'll
Yeah, Google Meet
speak any
also.
language, it'll actually translate that in real time in English, and you can actually read that, right? So there's some machine which is working in the backend, right? So all these tools, I mean, that speech recognition, right? If I have to make something for my Alexa or a Google Assistant, I don't have to worry about any of the underlying algorithms, right? I just need to consume the APIs on Amazon AWS server, right? So now that research has become democratized. It's available for everybody, right? So the kind of solutions that now will be getting developed will be much more abstract, right? Much more futuristic and involve a different kind of machine, human to machine interface, right? So आज हम शायद touch पे we are focusing everything on touch, right? Sooner or later it will be voice, and sooner or later, if Elon Musk has his way, the moment we think something, it will be hardwired directly with the with the hardware, and it will sense what you're thinking actually, right? So Minority Report आपने movie देखी होगी अगर, it's a old movie actually, but it is still futuristic. So when we saw it in 2000, Tom Cruise was doing so much futuristic stuff. All that is happening today actually, right in front of us actually. We are working on that actually. So you can imagine आज से आगे क्या होगा actually, right?
Right.
So what I'm saying is कि as engineers, the only thing that you need to work on is your problem solving skills, because that is one thing that will remain constant. आज Salesforce है, कल नहीं होगा actually. कल Microsoft Dynamics CRM होगा, कल परसों कुछ और होगा actually, right? About 10 years ago, there was, when Apple opened up its SDK, iOS SDK, it was very hot actually. It was very difficult to uh, hire people on that technology because they were in so much of demand actually, right? But after 5 years, suddenly there's so many people who are doing that technology, and after another 4 years, which is like now totally 10 years of that life cycle, nobody asks about that technology anymore. iOS को कोई पूछता भी नहीं actually, right? So every technology has a shelf life, right? So don't take pride in a particular technology. Don't be very sticky to a particular technology, and don't get emotional about losing a technology, right? So the only thing that matters is your ability to solve problems, right? And that will remain there forever. So the problem definitions might change, right? But your critical thinking will never be out of fashion. It will always be required. So that is that is how I would probably suggest. I mean, it's a very generic thing, but after 15 years actively looking at projects, this is what I have understood. क्योंकि जब मैं आज किसी Salesforce वाले client के साथ में when I have a conversation, even though the technology is just 3 year old for us, I am still able to make a conversation, convince the client, and get a project actually, right? If I don't know that platform, I don't think the client will have faith in me to give it to my team for execution, right? मेरी टीम अच्छी हो सकती है, अगर मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा उस सेल्स का काम, टेक्नो स्किल्स, if I cannot do a good technical discussion, that project is not going to come to us actually. मेरे नीचे फिर rocket scientists भी होंगे, तो they will not be able to prove their metal. So
Right.
it is important that your critical thinking is always razor sharp actually. तो काफ़ी लोग मशीन लर्निंग कर रहे हैं, एआई कर रहे हैं, बट मुझे लगता है अगले 5-6 साल के बाद में शायद उसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, बिकॉज ऑल दी सॉफ्टवेयर विल बी सो केपेबल of doing it easily. You just have to point and click and do it actually. Each year that is passing by, tools like Microsoft Dynamics CRM, ServiceNow, or Salesforce, right? HubSpot, right? All these are becoming intelligent, right? So they're adding more features. उनके लिए बड़ा simple है. They will just observe their ecosystem for a while and then see what is the most repetitive task a person is doing in the developer ecosystem. And it is very easy to pick those repetitive tasks, automate them, and then make it available as a feature. तो उसके next year से फिर आपको वो करना नहीं पड़ेगा actually, right? You just need to have a recollection कि वो कहाँ पड़ा हुआ feature, point and click से कैसे करूँ उसको use,
Right.
right? So yes, it is not going to be easy. So it is going to be difficult, but then there's always something else that will come up actually out of this.
Right. So, one thing, like one of the last things I just want to ask you, after pursuing so many careers, so who or what has shaped who you are right now?
Um, my first project lead from Infosys actually. He showed me how to stay in contact with technology, even though you could be leading a team. That is one. Secondly, he was always there with us actually. So that was my first experience when I was probably doing a late night in office, which I hardly did actually. So one of those days, when he saw me spending a late night in the office, he said, "Should I sit back and help you out?" And it was a very normal conversation that we had, but I think it somehow left a lasting impression in me, because I knew what it means to understand and empathize with somebody else's situation, right? And if they're struggling, you should empathize and then not ignore that situation. And the third thing that I learned from him is not to pursue money ever actually. My PL and we have been in touch even till today. अभी मैंने 2 हफ्ते पहले ही बात करी उनसे actually, ठीक है? And you'll be surprised to know what he's doing today. He's left his corporate job. He's taking a few years of sabbatical, and he's learning yoga. So he's doing a diploma in yoga actually. इसके पहले he was working for APG, which is a Google company. So he's technically very well oriented actually, but still he's doing this because he's not chasing money actually. So things like that are important actually, right? So finding a like-minded person to work with who has a lasting impression on you is very difficult. It happens by chance. I was lucky to have that person. That is one person who still makes continuous difference in my life. Okay, I've told him that, but he doesn't believe me. But I think that is how humble people are made actually. He's very humble. That is one. And the other person who I really derive a lot of inspiration is one of my uncles actually. He's not related actually, but uh, when I was working for Sasken, I wanted to take some suggestions from somebody who could help me out with the admissions in the US. And somebody referred me to this person actually. Little did I know about his academic credentials, okay. But he was a director at DRDO actually. So he was a top shot actually. But he loved to encourage students to take up higher studies actually. And he was MTech. Sorry, he was a pass out of Madras Institute of Technology, and he was a junior to Dr. Abdul Kalam actually, our late president actually. But वो 1947 में उन्होंने engineering करी थी, and the kind of mindset he had actually, and the vision about academics, he helped me through and through actually. And that was an inspiration because he was already 65 years of age, okay. And उतने एज में लोगों के पास ड्राइव नहीं रहती करने की, but he was driving a younger generation to do much better than him, taking pride in that. मेरे ऑफिस के आवर्स में he would actually shuffle his hours. He would meet me at 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, so that before going to office I can spend a couple of hours with him, write my uh, SOPs and take suggestions about researching the right professor in the college. All that he did actually. बीच में एक ऐसा इंस्टेंस हुआ कि one of the days I was like little disturbed. I think कुछ ऑफिस का टेंशन होगा, तो I did not call him and did not go to meet him the next day morning, which was agreed upon. And in the afternoon, I received a call from him. He would hardly call me because I was normally very punctual. This was one instance actually. And आप सोचो, पहली बार उन्होंने कॉल किया मेरे को लाइफ में कभी ऐसा. And after having a few exchanges of hello highs, he said, I was waiting for you in the morning. Why didn't you come actually? And I gave him some reason actually. He said, bullshit. When I can think about you so much, the least you can do about yourself is think about yourself. And that statement has been, बोलते हैं ना, जैसे पत्थर की लकीर हो गई. अगर मैं अपने बारे में नहीं सोच सकता ना, तो कोई नहीं सोच सकता एक्चुअली. और अगर मैं किसी के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ, अगर वो नहीं करना चाहता है, तो then it is his loss, it is not your loss actually, है ना. So that has probably inspired me to do the right things in life. सामने वाला चाहे receptive हो नहीं हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता actually. At the end of the day, you should have that faith that whatever you had to do, you did correctly. सामने वाले ने उसमें value नहीं देखी, it is not your loss. But at the same time, don't make yourself larger than him by saying that, but do your job. That is your part well played. Whether the other person sees value in that or not, that is his part to play. Right? You have no control on that, but thing that you have in control, you should do it actually. So वो अंकल आज 85 years के होंगे actually. 20 years हो गया almost उसको. He's still in touch with me. And I think last December I met and I went to Bangalore exclusively to meet him actually. I didn't want to carry a regret in my life कि मैं मिल नहीं पाऊंगा बाद में कभी. तो बीच बीच में मिलता रहता हूँ मैं उनसे कभी कभी जब भी आता था बैंगलोर. बट लास्ट ईयर मैं उनसे एक्सक्लूसिवली मिलने गया एक्चुअली. राइट. तो ये बड़े चांस एक्वेंटेंसेस हैं एक्चुअली. बट luckily for me it happened in my formative years when I was just about 23, 24, 25. And those have been good lasting impressions on where I am today actually. So these are the two people who have made
Lovely, sir.
difference.
Nice, sir. Lovely, sir. Even we got inspiration. आपने वो जो बोली चीज़ सर,
क्या चीज?
वेरी इंस्पायरिंग सर, कि पत्थर की लकीर की उन्होंने बताया कि जो अगर मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोच सकता हूँ तो तुम क्यों नहीं
तो
सोच
तुम इतना तो सोच सकते हो अपने बारे
इतना
में.
तक अपने बारे में तो राइट.
राइट.
सो
तो बट दैट बेसिकली आल्सो मींस कि आप अपना काम करो, है ना. सामने वाले को नहीं लेना है, वो लेना है वो उसके ऊपर एक्चुअली. राइट. तो one more thing I wanted to add actually.
हाँ राइट सर.
Personally, you should read books actually. ठीक है. It doesn't matter what kind of books you're reading actually. It can be a stupid book, it can be intelligent book also, but you have to read something. अगर नहीं read करने का मन कर रहा तो देर अब तो audio books बहुत सारे हैं actually, right? So listen to audio books actually, because when you read, when you write, or sorry, for example, or when you listen to stuff actually, right? So it will actually have a transformation in you, and that being a founder in a business is very important, because आपके कोई colleagues नहीं होते हैं. As a founder in business, you'll soon realize कि you don't have colleagues, you don't have real friends to call friends, because in your company there'll be a demarcation. Even if you don't differentiate your employees from you, the employees will differentiate themselves from you, right? So there's a thin line, very well defined, right? So आप किससे सीखोगे, right? सबसे important question ये है actually.
राइट.
तो
So, sir,
आप नेटवर्किंग करो,
हाँ सर.
क्लाइंट से मिलो, बुक्स पढ़ो, राइट.
uh,
इंसिडेंट मेरे को रिकॉल करना था एक्चुअली.
yes,
इट्स
sir.
रिलेटेड टू वन ऑफ द कन्वर्सेशन दैट आई हैड, बट आई जस्ट गॉट डाइग्रेस एक्चुअली. तो यू वर आस्किंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, राइट. So the regret of not able to attend a convocation ceremony in person never happened to me actually. Because of that, the regret was always there with me. But around 10 years ago actually, so we got short tech listing actually. So they basically shortlist 100 fast growing businesses run by alumni only. तो उसमें हमारा रैंकिंग था एक्चुअली, टॉप 20 में गए थे हम एक्चुअली. तो एक्सक्लूसिवली मैं गया था एक्चुअली. उस टाइम पे आई वाज ऑन अ यूएस ट्रिप आल्सो, और वी प्लान्ड अ यूएस ट्रिप अकॉर्डिंगली सो दैट आई कुड अटेंड दैट आल्सो. So my partner and I, we went to LSU campus, and after this was after good 10 years of being in business actually. So one fine, matlab, one evening before the actual ceremony, so I was having a conversation, and the difference between the societies there and here actually. I told them ki I had to come to LSU to get this award because I missed my convocation. So I didn't want to. This is as good as my convocation. I look at it that importantly for my life. So that thing was noted, and the next day, so in a packed hall of about 600 people, they actually narrated this incident, and then we got both of us got a standing ovation from 600 people, and the chancellor himself came. He spoke two sentences, and he handed over the award personally actually, and that was बोलते हैं ना कि लाइफ में एक appreciation जो मेरे को मिला, that was probably the best way of putting it across, because एक entrepreneur के लिए encouragement is important actually, but finding like-minded people who actually sees value in what you're doing is very difficult actually. That fortunately happens a lot many times in US than it happens here actually. अपने इंडिया में entrepreneurship is still not considered the choice, right? Given a choice, it is not a recommended thing. But then I think that mindset is changing. It will change. And आप जो कर रहे हो 1.5 साल में, आपने 1.5 साल पहले आपने स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट किया एक्चुअली, दैट इज ऑल एन इंडिकेटिव of a changing mindset in the society. So I'm sure you'll get there as well. So last year I think I'd come to AIT as well actually. तो उन्होंने I think 25th ceremony के लिए बुलाया था actually. So you must have been in the college back then, right? This
मे बी
was
दिसंबर में
2000.
हुआ था, दिसंबर में हुआ
नहीं,
था,
this is 2019 February actually.
फरवरी.
हाँ, तो it was a closed event. They didn't call many of us actually. So वहाँ पे बुलाया था actually. And getting recognition from AIT was as good as for me getting passed out. So that is what I told the director sir. Sir मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं 20 years के बाद मैं आज finally graduate हुआ हूँ. Because for me this is the real graduation. तो
So आपकी स्टोरी लाइक वैसे ही चल रही आप आपको वो शिद्दत वाला प्यार इसके लिए पूरी दुनिया ने रास्ते खोल दिए. वो फॉर एग्जांपल वो शाहरुख खान वाला
तो
जो
बहुत
डायलॉग
अच्छा
था.
कोटेशन बोला एक्चुअली. खैर मैं मतलब बहुत अच्छा कोटेशन है. इट इज एक्चुअली. कई बार आपने सोचा होगा ना कि मैं सोचता हूँ एंड समथिंग हैपेंस एक्चुअली, राइट? आई एम
Yes.
श्योर इट मस्ट हैव हैपेंड विद यू आल्सो, राइट? देयर इज अ साइंस बिहाइंड इट एक्चुअली. तो अगर इफ यू आर इंक्लाइंड इवन अ बिट टुवर्ड्स इट, देयर इज अ बुक कॉल्ड सीक्रेट्स बाय रोंडा ब्राइन. ओके, तो दिस बुक टॉक्स अबाउट दिस ओनली एक्चुअली. वो जो शाहरुख खान ने जो डायलॉग मारा था, वो उसका खुद का नहीं था एक्चुअली, रैल्फ वाल्डो एमरसन का था एक्चुअली. तो he was the, I think, the first person to go to Arctic also, है ना? But there's a book called Secret. It is the power of secrets actually. And जब आप सोचते हो ना, तो वो होना ही होना actually. If you want to, for example, उसमें एक anecdote है. If you want to purchase a car actually, right? So instead of your aim being to buy a car, you should actually aim where will you do your first road trip in that car. So when you start thinking on those lines, तो कार तो होना ही होना actually, right? Your goal is set. आप car will just happen because your goal is something else. Your goal is not car. It will happen. It has to happen.
सर आप ये बताओ सर, आपके टाइम पे यू वर द सेकंड बैच, तो रैगिंग हो गई थी ये शुरू?
बहुत ज़्यादा रैगिंग हुई हमारी एक्चुअली, क्योंकि हमारे सीनियर्स की तो रैगिंग हुई नहीं थी. और हमारे टाइम पे जो आपका जो भी मेन ब्लॉक है ना, बस वो मेन ब्लॉक के 2 विंग्स थे सामने के. वो पीछे का पूरा कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं हुआ था एक्चुअली. तो पीछे के सिर्फ पैरेलल विंग्स थे, और उसके पीछे वाले विंग्स शायद बन रहे थे एक्चुअली. ठीक है, तो पूरे जगह पे कोई गार्डन नहीं था. अभी तो आगे एकदम लश ग्रीन लॉन्स दिख रहे हैं ना आपको, वहाँ पे पूरी लाल मिट्टी थी
हाँ.
एक्चुअली. ठीक है, और हम लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया था बारिश के सीजन में. तो सीनियर्स जो हैं बुकिंग करके आते थे, क्योंकि कि आज मैं इसकी रैगिंग करूंगा 2 घंटे इसकी, भी उसके बाद मेरा नंबर आएगा. तो बुकिंग लगती थी. एंड पहले तो एडम ब्लॉक के सामने रैगिंग होती थी. रेक्टर तक आके देख के जाता था, एंड प्रोफेसर यूज्ड टू सी एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू गो एक्चुअली. कुछ नहीं बोलते थे वो. तो फिर दिन में फिर उसके बाद में रात में फिर तो नाइट आउट, मतलब 2 बजे 4 बजे छूट रहे हैं तो छूट रहे हैं, लगी हैं तो ऐसा है। तो हॉस्टल में जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था तो ए फ्लैंक था, और फिर सी, ये जो 4 फ्लैंक्स थे ये बने हुए थे। वो जो न्यू हॉस्टल है ना, जो दूसरी तरफ मेस की साइड में जो है,
यस सर,
राइट सर, हाँ।
वो वाला
एसडीएच।
तब बन रहा था एक्चुअली, पूरा नहीं बना था एक्चुअली। उसका सिर्फ 2 फ्लोर बने थे, एक वी शेप में। वो बिल्डिंग अभी भी वी शेप में शायद है ना।
यस सर,
हाँ
वो
सर।
20।
हाँ, तो बस वही था एक्चुअली, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं था वहाँ पे। नायर का कैफे था, अभी भी नायर है शायद मेरे ख्याल से।
नहीं सर, नायर नहीं है, अब तो चेंज हो गया सर।
अच्छा ठीक है, तो नायर था एक्चुअली। एंड देन वो फिर मॉन्जिनीज हमारे टाइम पे जस्ट आया ही था 4th ईयर में कभी। तो फर्स्ट ईयर में तो इट वाज लाइक नथिंग एक्चुअली। एंड हॉस्टल तो उस टाइम पे ऑपरेशनल भी नहीं था जब हम आए थे। तो जो आपका जो मेस है राइट, तो मेस में एंटर करते से जो लेफ्ट हैंड में जो हॉल आता है, तो लेफ्ट हैंड में घुसते ही वो डॉर्मेट्री था एक्चुअली। तो हम लोग डॉर्मेट्री में रुक गए थे एक्चुअली 1 महीना। तो सीनियर आते थे और जबरदस्त रैगिंग करते थे,
सर,
और उसके
अरे
बाद में फिर वो फिर जाते थे एक्चुअली।
सर आपने भी की फिर?
हमने भी खूब करी यार एक्चुअली, हमने तो खूब करी एक्चुअली। मतलब मैंने जब सेकेंड ईयर में आया तो मैंने फर्स्ट ईयर वालों की करी, फर्स्ट ईयर की भी करी। उसके बाद जो थर्ड ईयर में गया था तब भी फर्स्ट ईयर वालों की करी एक्चुअली ऐसा है। तो उस ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 3 बैचेस और मेरे एक ऊपर का बैच, तो ये 3 बैचेस के साथ में मेरे अभी भी फ्रेंड सर्कल एक्चुअली। तो जूनियर के जूनियर भी फ्रेंड्स में हैं, जूनियर तो हैं ही फ्रेंड्स में, सीनियर तो हैं ही एक्चुअली। क्या
सो
बोलते
सर, आपके हिसाब से सर, मतलब रैगिंग से लाइक नेगेटिव तो है सर रैगिंग, बट उससे बॉन्डिंग भी होता था। बट राइट नाउ का सीन क्या है कि बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन, रैगिंग तो रुक गया है। बट आई हैव सीन कि सम कुछ जूनियर्स का बिल्कुल भी बॉन्डिंग है ही नहीं सीनियर्स के साथ। कुछ लोग मतलब कभी मिले ही नहीं है सीनियर से। दिस
तो वो
काइंड ऑफ
गलत है
थिंग्स
एक्चुअली।
हैपन।
बट एक मुझे बात बताओ, मैं नेगेटिव क्यों लगता है रैगिंग?
नहीं नहीं सर, देयर वर सम केसेस ना कि किसी मतलब जो ज्यादा वायलेंट हो जाता था कुछ केसेस में। सो लाइक दैट वाज द रीजन कि मे बी लॉ आया था। सो
हाँ आई थिंक लॉ, बट एआईटी में ऐसा हुआ था क्या कुछ एक्चुअली?
आई डोंट नो सर, बट मैंने तो सर जहाँ तक सुना है कि 2008 के पहले बहुत ज़्यादा रैगिंग होता था। एंड
हाँ
बट आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद से बंद हो गया था। बस मे भी कुछ इंसिडेंट हुआ होगा, बट
हाँ
आई
हुआ होगा
डोंट
एक्चुअली। बट हमारे टाइम पे ना द रैगिंग वाज प्राइमरीली वेरी क्लीन एक्चुअली। तो मतलब मतलब ये जो फिजिकल जो था ना, ये एलिमेंट नहीं था एक्चुअली ऐसा। मतलब आई हैव नॉट नोन, ना हमने किया ना, मतलब 4 साल जो हम कॉलेज में थे ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं होना, ना सुना हमने किसी से एक्चुअली। बट उसका एडवांटेज क्या है कि जो जो एक कम्युनिटी में जो जो वो रहता है ना, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक्चुअली रहता है। Because once you go out in the corporate world actually, right, you don't have anybody to look forward to as such, right? Because they're going to be friends actually, but they're not going to be as close a friend जो आपने कॉलेज में फॉर्म करते हो फ्रेंडशिप। जो कॉलेज की फ्रेंडशिप्स हैं, they will be the ones that will last long actually ऐसा है। तो उसका एक रीजन यही होता है, because you have eaten from the same mess, you have had similar challenges, you have been ragged, you have been क्या कहते हैं ना, abused in a friendly manner by the same senior। बट इट्स अ कल्चर एक्चुअली, जो आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा वैसे ही आप रैगिंग करोगे किसी और के साथ में भी एक्चुअली, ठीक है। आई एग्री, बीच में हो सकता है कोई साइकोलॉजिकली इम्बैलेंस पर्सन हो, उसने कुछ उसको ज़्यादा ही सीरियसली ले लिया, मार पिटाई कर दी, वो होता है एक्चुअली। देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी डेफिनेटली देयर एक्चुअली। बट आई, बिकॉज वी नेवर फेल्ट दैट एक्चुअली, तो वी ऑलवेज एंजॉय ड्रैगिंग एक्चुअली। उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि हमारे जो सीनियर के साथ में जो टच है, दैट इज सो मच। एंड प्लस क्या हुआ कि मैं इंदौर में आके सेटल हुआ एक्चुअली। तो इंदौर से महू ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, एंड महू इज लाइक देयर इज सच अ बिग आर्मी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हियर, कैटेगरी ऐसा एस्टेब्लिशमेंट है। तो एआईटी के बहुत सारे एआईटीएंस आते हैं यहाँ पर कोर्स के लिए। कभी कोई जेसी के लिए आता है, जब शुरू में आया था तब जूनियर कमांड के लिए आते थे, फिर सीनियर कमांड के लिए आने लगे वही फ्रेंड्स, फिर अब हायर कमांड के लिए आने लगे। यू सी देम आल्सो ग्रो राइट। पहले वो कैप्टन थे, फिर मेजर बने, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल, अब फुल कर्नल, कमांडिंग भी कर चुके हैं, वो सीओ बन चुके हैं। तो प्लस at any point in time there is at least a group of 10 to 12 AITs in Mao। तो मेरा साल में 1-2 बार तो इनके साथ में गैदरिंग हो जाती है। अभी पिछले महीने जो है वी हैड like 4 gatherings in 2 weeks time, so I met so many AITs। तो मेरे बैच में काफ़ी लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि amongst all of us you are the one who's in touch with AITians the most. तो मेरे पास एक blessing है क्योंकि मऊ में इन लोगों का आना ही आना है, तो that way I get to meet them. बट इसमें बहुत सारे सीनियर्स हैं एक्चुअली और जूनियर्स भी हैं. अगर वो रैगिंग नहीं होती तो वो एक फ्रैटर्निटी में कनेक्ट ही नहीं रहता एक्चुअली. तो रैगिंग से ही वो फैसिलिटेट हुआ एक्चुअली जो भी हुआ.
Already we have taken so much of time. अभी 2 घंटे 40 मिनट हो चुके हैं. So
एक मिनट, अभी तुम कहीं जा नहीं रहे हो, मैं तुम्हारी
Start up.
रैगिंग करूंगा दोनों की, ठीक है? तुम लोग कहीं नहीं
अरे
भाग रहे.
definitely.
अरे सर मैं तो यहीं पे रहूंगा, पर नमन नेटवर्क कनेक्शन देख के
नहीं
वो
नहीं,
भाग
मैं भी
जाएगा.
कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं बार बार कनेक्ट करूंगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.